Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. Ligaments and tendons are important connective tissues in the body. Ligaments link bones to one another, while tendons connect muscles and bones, and they're both essential for body function. Eating a balanced diet makes sure you're getting the right vitamins and minerals to keep your ligaments and tendons healthy. You can also take supplements if you're concerned about your ligament and tendon health. Vitamins and minerals for ligaments and tendons. Several vitamins and minerals are related to ligament and tendon health, and they also affect healing. Number 1. Vitamin D. It's important to get enough vitamin D, especially if you're physically active or suspect an injury. Vitamin D helps increase bone mineral density and strengthens the skeletal muscles, improving the tendon-to-bone healing process. Number 2. Vitamin A. Vitamin A can help enhance collagen development. Collagen is important for the formation and function of tendons, ligaments, cartilage and bone. Vitamin A-rich foods include carrots, mangoes, squash and sweet potatoes. Number 3. Vitamin C. Vitamin C can increase collagen production to help ligament and tendon function. Vitamin C is most commonly found in citrus fruits. Many foods have both vitamin A and vitamin C, such as leafy green vegetables like kale and spinach. Number 4. Copper and zinc. The trace minerals copper and zinc play a role in collagen production, per the Cleveland Clinic. Lack of these trace minerals results in poorer collagen synthesis, and can negatively affect ligament and tendon health. Supplements for ligaments and tendons. You may want to take supplements to promote healing, if you've recently had surgery or an injury. They can also be a good idea for ongoing health problems, which is why some people may opt to take supplements for tendinitis or rotator cuff injuries. Supplements typically have cross-benefit. Supplements for joint and tendon health can also be used for ligaments and vice versa. Number 1. Whey protein. Whey protein is good for tendon growth. Daily supplements of whey protein have been linked to increasing the overall area of tendons. Number 2. Glucosamine and Chondroitin. Glucosamine and chondroitin sulfate are often studied together, and both have been shown to have protective effects on ligaments and tendons. They've also been shown to accelerate tendon and bone healing. Number 3. Gelatin or collagen. Vitamin C-enriched gelatin supplements could be used to increase collagen production and the other beneficial effects of vitamin C. Number 4. Bromelain. An enzyme from the stem of the pineapple, bromelain might have wound healing properties. It's been shown to be particularly effective as a supplement for tendon repair in lab and clinical trials. Number 5. Curcumin. Curcumin is an antioxidant that inhibits the formation of new blood vessels. This is beneficial after tendon injuries. Consequently, curcumin can be useful as a supplement for tendon repair. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.